How to remove premium service benefits from TurboTax. In order to do so, you may follow up the step. So head over to a browser in any of your devices and type in TurboTax. After that, you'll be getting these results. Head over to turbotax.intuit.com, the first link. After you head over there, you need to sign in. In order to sign in, you may tap on the sign in button at the top right, like this. And then once you do that, you may sign in into your Intuit account. Once you are signed in, you should be finding this interface. Now from the given interface, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left. And this opens up. Now from the given menu, select the option called Intuit, which is at the first Intuit account. So after selecting that, you will be taken to another page. Wait for the page to completely load up. And when it loads up, you should be finding these options on your screen. Now from the given options, what you can do is, on the very first, you should be finding an option called Quick App Actions, where you should be finding an option called Manage Subscription. So all you gotta do is simply tap on that option. And after tapping on Manage Subscriptions, here you will be finding your products and billing and your subscriptions and payments in this place. So all you gotta do is, if you have purchased a premium service from TurboTax, all you gotta do is simply cancel it from this page. And once you do, your cancellation should be completed and your premium service benefits from TurboTax should be removed. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.